this cat walking out behind my house in the backyard because my cats were like doing something weird. I felt, hey buddy. And so here it is. Listen.
Get up on the chair and show me.
No, Philip, he's panting like a dog. It's like my neighbors across the street or something. Yeah, I think it's. Hey. I'm gonna touch him.
It sounded like you said no.
Oh jeez, oh my god. I don't think, does he have balls? Hiss.
He's probably like, what?
He's hot. He's really hot.
His name is Lord.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, it's my neighbors across the street. Just across my street.
Yeah.
Here, let me just.
Make it to where it's like,
Oh crap. Bro, I almost stepped on him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Bro, he's trying to drink the water out here.
He's really hot.
Yeah, maybe I should get him some water. Oh, there was a toad in my garage last night.
Really?
It pooped in the garage. Mom, he's really hot. Okay. Alright, we gotta shoo him back. Here, let's try and shoo him back.
No, I can just pick him up.
No, don't pick him up.
Why?
It's not your cat. Let's try and like shoo him. Let's try not to have him attack us. Hey, go back. Hey, come on.
No.
Here, come on. No, don't pick him up, Phil. See, look. Are those his? Oh yeah, he does. Yeah, he does. We gotta get him back. Yes.
Why?
Come on, go back, buddy. Because he has testicles and he needs to be like neutered or something. Yeah, that's what it is. Come on, buddy.
Here, I'll stay.
Here, go that way. Go. Get him to go that way. Here, no, don't. Philip, chill. He thinks that we're trying to surround him. Make him go that way. Okay, go. Chase me. Go. Philip, chill. Be careful. Come on, buddy. That way. Go on.
No, just let him stay there.
No, because he lives right there.
It's in the shade for him, so.
I know, but go on. Here. Oh. No, Phil.
No.
See, look, he got his mouth open. He gonna bite you. Psst. See? No, be careful, bro. He's gonna like think that you're trying to play. Come on, shoot. Get that way. He's right. Oh wait, I guess he's moving. Bro, why isn't he moving? Philip, stop.
Why?
Because it is not your cat.
Here, I'm trying. Dirty. Should I go under the boat and try and shoot him?
No. Go, buddy. Hey. Phil, chill. Don't go under there. Hey, here, get a rock or something. Toss a rock in. Hi. How are you people? And all you see, it's like, hi, how are you people? And in the background, I see is into the kid's face. Should we just leave it?
Yeah, because I have a feeling it doesn't want to go.
Yeah, here, let's go. Let's like go out of sight. And then we'll like.
Yeah, maybe we should record for zombies.
Do you see how much space I have left? 6 minutes. That's it.
That's all you have?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to delete some stuff.
Well, I gotta see if the video's